Hello, I'm Irambra from Traco Systems. In this presentation, I would like to show you Traco AI, our artificial intelligence platform, not only for the news production but also for the post-production. Traco AI, it's a standalone platform which can be connected to literally any post-production or media asset management, production asset management system. So in this video, I will show you how we did the integration of the Traco AI with the Media Central Cloud UX and also another capabilities of Traco AI. So I'm starting with the face recognition, object and the scene detection. So then I will show you how we can use it in a workflow with the transcription, translation, summarization and searching purposes. And at the end of this session, I will show you the future of our development. So video analytics tool, semantic search, and so on. So this is basic user interface of the Traco AI. So I can just log in, it's a web interface, and here I can see the Traco AI, last imported videos, recognized person, unknown person, last jobs, etc. There is some searching purposes, list of the persons, and another option. So it's more or less for the administrative purposes, but of course you can use it as a users. So you have a lot of analytics tools, statistics tool there, user management. You can define the sources for automatic AI tasks. So for example, you can choose the catalog in Media Central Cloud UX, which will be kind of watch folder in Media Central Cloud UX, where you can automatically set up the task like face recognition, categorization, speech recognition, automatic translate, and so on. Also, the same task can be done for Samba or FTP folders, but it also works with the live stream. So, for example, for live closed captioning. This is more or less the interface of Traco AI. So let's jump to the Media Central Cloud UX to see a full workflow of Traco AI together with the Media Central Cloud UX. So let's open the Media Central Cloud UX. So when I open the watch folder, which was set it in the Traco AI previously, it's in catalog and Traco AI watch folder. So all videos which jump into this watch folder are automatically processed by the Traco AI. So I can open some video which is in your Ukrainian language, where I can describe in more details how Traco AI works. Under the player or behind the player, you can find the Traco AI tab, and in this Traco AI tab here are 4 subtabs. First, which I show you, it's speech tab. In this tab, you can see transcribed video. So when I hit the play button on the video.
Продовжимо говорити про взагалі вибори, але в тому сенсі, що через таку комунікацію з партнерами, і ми чули від Дональда Трампа певну.
So as you can see, the text is highlighted according the speech. So when I jump into the timeline and start the play.
Пане Олександре, вітаємо вас, дякуємо, що цього ранку долучилися.
Добрий ранок.
The text will be highlighted accordingly. So, but of course, working in vice versa mode. So when I highlight any words, video jump to this exact position. So it means that you can use the text for the searching the exact content or for the selection. So for example, like this, highlight the one word, set in point, and the last one, set out point. And I have right now exact selection based on the text.
Штатів Америки провести вибори, і за його словами він очікує від депутатів, що ті запропонують своє бачення, як це можна зробити.
So this is the speech, the transcription. So for the transcription purposes, we are in partnership with the Speechmatics. So we are using on-prem model of Speechmatics, which is installed on this Traco AI platform. So then we can do the translation for any kind of languages from the list of 35 plus languages. For the transcriptions, we are also using 30 plus languages. So now everything is translated to the English. As you can see, right now it's highlighted full sentence. So why it happened? So simply because with the transcription, we have time code per each single word. With the translation, of course, it's not possible. So because we are not translating word by word, but we are translating the sentences to catch the meaning of the language. So it's to have it as much as possible precise, this translation. For the translation, we are using DeepL translation engine, which is only service which is cloud-based from the DeepL. So when I select the word, of course, it selects full sentence, and I can.
Про це президент України заявив на зустрічі з представниками українських медіа 11 грудня. У зверненні ще раніше, тобто 10 грудня,
Additional feature, other than the translation or transcription, it's summarization. There is a summary which can be done in any of the supported language. So right now, you have the summary of whole content in the Ukrainian language. Of course, I can jump it to the English version and also for the Slovak version. Or if you mind, you can translate it even to Japanese or any kind of language which are supported by Traco AI. So this summary content is stored as a metadata in a Media Central CloudX PAM. So it's fully searchable via standard Avid Media Central CloudX search tool. So then we have the person search. So as you can see, we detected all the faces based on the unique vector description of the face. So for example, this is the presenter, and each occasion of the presenter have also time code. And we are jumping over this time console. Unfortunately, right now, there is not named any of the person which was detected, but this is not the problem. So here on the top right corner, you have the icon AI, Traco AI. So when I hit this icon, it automatically opened the video in the Media Central Traco AI, and here I have ability to name the person like this. So I can set the name like, I don't know the exact name of this presenter, so I just name it like Anna and surname presenter. Like this. I can put there some notes, etc., etc. I can save it. So back to the video. And here in the video, I can see one recognized named person and 33 unrecognized persons. So mean person without the name. When I jump back to the Media Central CloudX and refresh, So right now I can see that there are 33 unknown person and one named person with varies 11 times on the video. Then another additional feature here in Traco AI tab, it's categorization. So categorization, looking for the object and tagging the category of the video with its sports, news, it's in studio, there is some buildings, vehicles or something like this. But in the future release, we're gonna change the model of this categorization and recognition, and we name it video analysis. So let me show you our pre-beta version, testing version of the Traco AI, where I can describe what's going on with this video analytic tool. So here you can see the video. It's unfortunately not yet integrated with CloudWix, but it will be very soon in first, maybe second quarter of next year. So this is the video from Espresso TV. Of course, here I can set the caption, so right now I turn off the captions. And here you can see the description. Let me zoom it in. Description, summary description, what's going on the picture. So it's this analyze only the picture, not the sound, just catching the information from the picture and creating some tags like military, conflict, parliament, etc. and where it happened, in Ukraine and so on. It is recognized just from the screen, from the video, and describe it. Of course, this description can be set to any language. I put it to Ukrainian language. So right now you have description, summary description, what's going on the picture, and segmented description. So we divided the video on 2-minute segments and described every single segment. So right now there is mid of March 2026. So we have video analytics tool implemented into the Media Central CloudWix as a new tab under the Traco AI tab. So here you can see video analysis with the option to change it to different languages, so translate it to different languages, every segment, and also the summary. Then you can see the keywords, topic, entities, location, and so on. And there is also the segmented video analysis. So there is description for each segment, and of course you can navigate through the segment by clicking. So it's seeking to the proper position on a timeline as well. So it's very useful for navigation through the content. So why are we doing it in this way? So simply, as much metadata we have, then we can perform the better search and not find during the search process the proper video which we are looking for in the production asset management or media asset management, but also select the segment of the video. And this is the basement for some kind of automatic editing. So let me show you the idea in a real scenario. So I jump back to the Media Central CloudWix, and I open Traco AI, new Traco AI searching tool, which is semantic search tool. So as you can see, we have two options: full text search. So for example, when I'm looking for some president and hit the search, so it return, president once again. The system returned me all the videos where is the word president in any kind of language. So doesn't matter that it's presidente, president, or whatever. So it's found the president in the text. So, but when I switch it to the smart, then I have possibility to describe what I'm looking for. For example, I'm looking for something about NATO or summit or, for example, like there are talking something about the NATO. And the most relevant outputs is bordered with the green color. Less relevant outputs in the yellow or orange, and not relevant it's in gray. So, and it also checking the segment. So because so you can see here is the summarization right now in English language, but when I set it to the Ukrainian language, I mean when I set the setting of the Traco AI to the Ukrainian language, you will see the summary in the Ukrainian language. So the idea is that right now when I double click on selected video, it just opened the video from the production asset management from Media Central, and I can see the transcription here is in German language. I can check the summary in German or in Ukrainian language. So everything works. It's search full video. So, but right now I would like to create automatic draft cut. So create an empty sequence, and by this puzzle button, with this puzzle button, I created the story based on the most relevant content with the most relevant part based on this segmentation we didn't show you before. Yeah, from three videos. This is the idea. Another idea is create some automatic voiceover, at least some proposal for voiceover. So I will choose the language for the voiceover. In your case, I will show Ukrainian language. And right now, on the background, based on the text on this segmentation, it proposes you the voiceover text in a journalist style. Yeah, and this is the proposal for the voiceover for this video sequence. So I can check it whether it's okay or not. So I can maybe change, rewrite, set any kind of prompt, or create the voiceover. So choose the voice. So in this case, we did a test with the 11 Labs or with Azure. Of course, you can create your own voice clone or add additional voices, and then set the generate. So then the system, based on this text or rewritten text, will create the voiceover and automatically open voiceover in the media player. Yeah, right. And so this is our upcoming development. So we would like to finish this part till the NAB time to show it in the NAB. So let me sum up all the possibilities of the Traco AI. So Traco AI is doing the face recognition, category and scene detection, speech to text, translation, summarization, and searching in the Media Central CloudWix or in the Traco AI interface. And as a future development, we have semantic search, smart search capability of Traco AI, automatic editing, or let's say doing the draft cut, and text to speech, and also proposal for the voiceover. So thank you for attention. So feel free to contact me or my colleague, our Ukrainian reseller, and for the more questions, if you need some more information. So thank you very much, and take care.